Hi, our Primrose infused oil is back in stock. Made from our homegrown primrose, which is an herb, and it's infused in our grapeseed oil. So, what do I do with the Primrose infused oil? Very simple. I use it as a toner. It just makes your skin look radiant. There's a couple drops on your hand. Rub it on your face very gently. You don't want to rub any skin layers off. Make sure you get behind your ears. And then you follow it up with your moisturizer and your makeup, right? So it soaks in right away, makes your skin look radiant, moisturizes without over moisturizing in, and it's really, really lightweight, which I love because I do not like anything heavy on my pores. It just protects your pores, protects your skin, and it makes your skin look radiant without smelling, right? So check it out on our website and get you some. Talk to you later. Bye.